Let's talk about going to school. At school, children learn, read, and make new friends. Children go to school 5 days a week. The school week starts on Monday and ends on Friday. Many children wear a school uniform. The uniform is the same for all students in the school. Children leave home in the morning to go to school. Many walk, and some take the bus or ride a bicycle. At school, there are many classrooms. Each classroom has many desks for the students. Each class has a teacher. The teacher helps explain the lessons to the class. The students sit at their desks. They listen, write in their notebooks, and read from their textbooks. At school, children study many different subjects. English, math, science, and art are common subjects. Lunchtime is in the middle of the day. Many students bring a lunch box from home and eat with their classmates. After lunch, there is a short break. Children go outside to play and talk with their friends. In the afternoon, there are more lessons. After the last lesson, the school day is over. Before going home, the teacher gives homework to the students. Children put their things in their bags and go home. School is a good place to learn new things every day. It is also a nice place to be with friends.